Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do the basically English practice. So if you are new here, so you can I'm going to introduce myself. Like I'm an English learner. I do upload videos on English language. So today I've chosen this picture for speaking in this video. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So as I'm checking, like watching this picture, so there is a lot of activities are going on, such as like there is a goat who are like walking in front of a ship, and there is one person who is like managing all the things, like one basically ship as well, who is like roaming around the basically grass and this is kind of a farmhouse where like every animal is very happy and like roaming freely because in lot of farmhouse there is a person who kept them in a certain place, so that is not the case in this picture. As I'm checking, there is cow in the right side of the cottage, basically in front of cottage of the person, but she is also sitting and just watching all the animals, such as like there are three pigs which are lying on the ground beside from the cottage, and there is a lot of things to eat for the animals, and that is very a great place, and they are very happy with like playing with each other. And so, and beside from that, there is also person who is like uh, basically doing some sort of activities to basically feed their family. And yeah, this was a very quite a great picture which represent like our older peoples who basically do this kind of activities a lot of times, and there is like lot of persons do in hometown. Basically this pictures reminds me of my hometown, where we do have a lot of cows, and we just do all the activities and try to feed animals and get some sort of like milk to basically live. And that is how we our day-to-day activities look like. And so living with the nature is really basically fantastic things. And so this picture represent that. So I think basically I have spoken at least around 2 minutes, I think. I don't know, basically I have spoken it for more than 2 minutes or not, because I've started from the 1 minute, I think so, and I'm able to gather some sort of words such as only for 1 minute. So this is very interesting. If I can able to basically create stories, that is also going to be a good for me, basically. If I'm like I can basically use that words to create some sort of great vocabulary as well. So on this video, that is it. I just want to basically don't want to break my flow, which I done recently, like 2 days back, where I haven't uploaded the video. So I'm not going to do it in upcoming days. So from this onward, you will see lot of kind of this kind of activities in upcoming days as well. So hope you guys like this video. Bye bye. Have a good day.